Hello everyone, DIY Dad here. Thanks for joining me today. Look at all this super clean stuff I got here. As well as my super clean Superfly t-shirt. My truck has been neglected for a while, so what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a demo of some of the super clean products. I've got their all-wheel cleaner here, as well as just a foaming version and a spray version of the big super clean regular all-purpose cleaner. You guys have seen me use that many times before. One of my favorite products here. My friends from SuperClean sent me these products here to test out and show you guys. Not sponsored in any way or anything like that. Not obligated to show you anything or say anything about these products, but they are one of my favorites, and they were kind enough to send me some stuff to demo here. So, got a very, very dirty tire here. This hasn't been washed in probably 2 months. These are coated about last year or so. Look at that. Just one little swipe. Ew, gross. I'm going to be using my pressure washer today, but you don't need to use a pressure washer. It's totally optional. My fenders are very, very dirty. Wheel wells are dirty. Running boards are dirty. So this truck is going to be detailed extensively today. We'll get right into it. This is their all-wheel cleaner. We're going to spray it on the rims here. Totally dry, just going to let it do its work. Just gonna let it soak there for a couple of minutes. Oh yes, look at that dirt just running off there. And for the actual rubber, I like to use the regular old all-purpose cleaner here. We'll grab some of that. And I do have a spray brush, so if we do need to agitate a little bit, this stuff, you can see the brown on the tires right away. Oh yeah, I usually dilute this like 5-to-1 or something, 5 parts water, 1 part SuperClean, which is why you get the stuff by the gallon. But I'm just doing it straight up just to show you the power that the stuff is capable of. And it's been what, 30 seconds here. We'll spray the inside of the wheel well there. Tell you what, I'm not even gonna scrub too much. I'm just gonna spray that. We'll let it soak for a bit and we'll spray it off. I am going to scrub the wheel well and the wheels with a little microfiber just to agitate a little bit. We'll let it soak here. We are in the shade today. Overcast skies, which is perfect for detailing. A lot less chance of water spots. Could use a brush for the surface of the wheels, but this microfiber is a little softer. Depending how much baked on brake dust you have, you may have to break out something a little bit more aggressive, but we're basically just letting the cleaner do its job all by itself here. And just a little bit of light agitation. I'm not even scrubbing hard because I'm holding my camera with one hand here. This thing's good to get into these little cracks and crevices up there. A lot of people miss those areas in washing rims, which is totally fine, but that's why you're watching this channel, so you guys can learn stuff. Guys, don't forget to hit subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I am not doing a good job here, but we're being quick today. That's good. We let everything kind of soak for a little while. Pressure washer's not even turned on. I'm just spraying with pressure straight from the tap. Oh, look at that dirt. Ooh, we're gonna have to hit this probably once or twice for sure. Super clean, guys. It's the real deal. It saves me a lot of time and effort. Look at that. I'd say it's a good result. I think I have to go in and touch up some of the little corners here that I did not scrub, so agitating with something, definitely a must, but I think it's doing a real good job here. Let's do the fenders. We just sprayed that straight up, but look at that. That was all stuck on dirt. You can see where I sprayed just with light pressure. This is untreated area over here. Now, I'm losing my water beating capability because It does strip some of the wax and stuff off of there, so you can see the difference here. That's still beating up. This is not, but you know what? We're not going to worry about that now because we're going to reapply something later. But it's doing a great job. Just a quick video for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, give it that thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. Leave a comment below. Until next time, thanks for watching.